Hello, today I will show you how to get those nice full eyebrows that everyone desires. Let's get started. First, I'm going to lightly shape my eyebrows with the Nanacoco Professional Brow Stylers Highlighter Duo using the pencil side in the shade Brown Matte Beige. Next, with the Almine Angled Eyebrow Brush, I'm going to take my Nanacoco Professional Brow Stylers Powder Kit and fill in my eyebrows with the powder to get a full natural look. To make the eyebrows even more natural looking, I'm going to brush through them with the Nanacoco Professional Brow Stylers Brow Mascara. The small wand will cover any sparse areas that you may have left on your eyebrows. Finally, I'm highlighting the inner corner of the eyes and the arc of my brow bone to get more definition. You will instantly get natural, full-looking eyebrows in minutes.